Alright, fellas, you've been searching for the magic pill to boost your testosterone. Well, let me save you some time. I've tried it and I'm here to spill the beans. GNC's Testosterone Booster. Does it actually work or is it just another bottle of wishful thinking? Stick around to find out. Okay, I know we've all seen ads promising us the moon. Boost your energy, feel like $1 million. But let's be real, when you pop a pill, you're hoping for more than just a placebo. So I decided to put GNC's testosterone booster to the test. This thing promises to bring the alpha out of you, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. Now I've been using this product for a couple of weeks and here's what I noticed. First off, my energy levels, well, they actually did improve. It wasn't like I went from couch potato to bodybuilder overnight, but the boost was noticeable. I felt more focused and let's just say my workout recovery time way quicker than before. Did it make me feel like I was in my prime? Honestly, yeah, a little bit. But I'm not claiming I grew a beard overnight or suddenly became a bench press champion. That said, it definitely supported my overall performance, especially during those late night gym sessions. Plus, I didn't experience any weird side effects, which is always a win. So should you choose it, if you're looking for a clean, simple test booster without all the crazy promises, GNC's got you covered. It's not going to turn you into a superhuman, but it'll definitely help you feel a bit more like your old self, or maybe even a better version of it. Remember though, no pill beats a solid workout and a good sleep. Alright, that's it. My honest take. But before you go, hit that subscribe button for more brutally honest reviews and let's keep it real out there. See you in the next one.